Welcome back to my channel, everyone. This is cherryclawsbykenn. This week's video is actually going to be pretty short because I have been busy running rampant. So I'm just going to do a quick video on how you prepare your gel X nails for polish, gel polish, or any polish, honestly. So first, after you apply your gel X nails, I like to take a sanding band and just kind of seal the cuticles and take a sanding band and buff out the nail to remove the shine. Another way that you see me doing right here is taking a buffer block and going around the nail to remove all the shine. On this index finger that you see me doing right here, I realized I had missed a spot with my sanding band, so you see I'm examining the nail and going over it again with the buffer block to remove the rest of the shine off. And this has two different grids. I'm honestly not sure which grids they are, but one of them is softer than the other. But when I still have shine on the nail, I tend to use the rougher side just to make sure I get it off, and then I like to smooth the nail over. So after buffing all of your tips, your nails should look something like this. Next, I am going to take my cuticle remover, and sometimes when I go over my gel X nails with the buffer block or my sanding band, I still have some dead skin that comes up around the cuticle. So as you see, I'm just going around gently to remove that. And remember, do not cut the skin off because a lot of people tend to do that. Next, a personal fave that I like to do that you've seen in my past videos, of course, is to take my Macart Prep in 1. I think it's Prep in 1 or 3 in 1, something like that. Yeah, Prep in 1. I like to take that and put a simple layer on top of the gel X tips, simply because I like to make sure that the nail has a little structure and it's not going to bend or break or whatever, because I do tend to file them down a little bit. So I've noticed that going in with this as a base coat, quote unquote, usually helps structure the nail and makes a smooth and seamless base for my gel polish or design that I do. And this is like the tried and true. So like in every video, you're more than likely gonna see me use this as my base coat before I go in with any gel polish. And honestly, I don't regret it. I haven't had any issues with it, and I love it. And that's just a design I was going with. I ended up actually changing this because I just did not like it, and I was trying out new products. As you see, these were like some French molds that help you do a deep French smile line. But that's pretty much it. As you can see, the base for my nails are looking smooth, they look good, they're ready for me to paint. And of course I did a chrome design on this, so yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see y'all next time. Bye, loves.